Join your hands to Pranamasana. From right side of your mat, inhale, raise your hands up. Tilt your body to your left. Come to the center. Tilt your body to your right and come back center. From here, you are going to raise your left leg up. Open your left leg out to the side. Step out and bend your knees. You can hold for few seconds in this goddess pose. From here, you are going to come into Trikonasana. So, you straighten your hands out to the side, drop down to your left, look up at your right hand, stay here, hold it. Slowly from here, you get both your palms down your mat and you stretch. You are trying to touch your head to your left knee. Keep breathing, do not hold your breath. From here, keep your right leg down on your mat, raise your hands and stretch. Once you stretch, you get your palms down on your mat. From here, you will sit coming into a full lunge and stay here. Find your balance, look forward. From here, you will lift up going to the other side into a full lunge once again. Keep breathing, find your balance, stay here for few seconds. From here, we'll turn towards your right side, so you keep your left knee down on your mat, you bend your right knee, raise both your hands up and stretch. Get your hands down, straighten your legs out once again. Touch your head to your knee. Grab, hold at your right ankle. Raise your left hand up, looking up at the tips of your fingers. Slowly come back into standing. Turn your feet so that they both face outwards. Bend your knees and then join your right leg to your left, raising your hands up, tilt to your right, come center, exhale, tilt to your left, come center and get your hands down. Do the same thing on the right side now. So you start on your left side of your mat, raise both hands up, tilt it to your right side first, come center, tilt left, you come center from there. You raise your right leg up, open it out, step out and then you bend both your knees, keep your elbow out, sitting low and then from here, straighten your hands and straighten your legs and we slowly drop down into Trikonasana. From here, get both your palms down on your mat. Try and get your head to your knee. Slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, get your left knee down your mat. Raise both your hands up. Find your balance. Keep breathing. From here, slowly get your palms back down. We'll come into a deep lunge. Find your balance. Look forward. Keep breathing. Now lift up and switch going on to your left side. Slowly breathing in, breathing out. Look forward. From here, turn your body towards your left, keeping your right knee down, your left knee in a 90-degree angle. Slowly raise your hands up, and find your balance. Keep breathing slowly. From here, slowly get your palms down on your mat. Lift up, straighten both your knees. Try and touch your head to your left knee. Keep breathing. From here, grab hold of your left ankle with your left hand and raise your right, looking up. From here, slowly come back into standing. Bend your knees, sitting low in goddess pose. Find your balance, keep breathing. From here, let's join your left leg to your right, raising your hands up. Tilt to your left, come center, tilt to your right, come center. Get your both hands down. We have completed our full cycle. See you in next video. By that time, namaste.